Good morning and welcome to another video by me, John of JWH Millinery, and join us on this journey where we count down to Christmas. So I'm going to put my glasses on because I cannot see a single thing. So thank you to everybody that's joined us so far. So far we have this from day one, some crin from day two. Let's see what day three brings. So day three, I need some coffee. And remember, we have the Christmas mug, which strangely, I think it's for left-handed people, because if I have it left, unless it's for right-handed people so you can see it as you're drinking, coffee, need that first thing in the morning. So yeah, what have we got in day three? It's quite light. So we have, tulle netting. So we have a metre of some tulle netting, which is 12-inch wide. All the details for this will be on the screen. So yeah, so far still very cohesive. Okay. Hopefully I'll be able to make more than one piece out of all this. So, on to question of the day. So, we have a question from Edie Bruno 95. I think I'm going to stop saying everybody's names because I'm literally, unless I know how to say it, then I'm not going to destroy anybody's names. But they ask, what is the most important thing to be a good milliner? Now, this is a very good question, and the honest answer is, I don't know. Personally, for me, to be a good milliner would be somebody that isn't afraid to take risks, somebody that has their own ideas. That doesn't mean new ideas, that just means their own ideas. Like, there is only so many things that you can do, and at some point coloured ways are going to get used again, styles are going to get used again, trims are going to get used in a very similar way. That doesn't necessarily mean it's copying, that just means it's unique. So definitely somebody that has their own eye for something, like taking something and making it their own. You know, obviously the more you do it, the more technically skilled you become, and the more things you can see when somebody's made something, been doing it for a long time. But that doesn't necessarily make them a good milliner. Who knows? Like I say, it's all subjective. What I think would be a good milliner, somebody may not. So yeah, remember guys, if you don't agree with me, it's Christmas. Let's agree to disagree. So thank you very much for watching. I am going to get dressed and go to work. So yeah, that's going to be something today. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and if you are already subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified every time we release videos. We are putting videos up every day in December, and I hope you'll join us on this journey. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow at 8 AM UK time, and let's see what is in box number 4. Have a good day, and I will see you all tomorrow.